So good morning, welcome to Miss Hosted. Today we had a horrible night last night where 2 guinea pigs got attacked by something. Rusty is barking over there in the trees where we think it is. So good morning, welcome to Henry's Homestead. Today we have a Mossberg, a 185. It was inexpensive, working man's gun. Holds 2 in the magazine. Y'all might saw in another video where we showed it, but that wasn't a review, that was just shooting it.
What kind of butt pad you got on there?
$100 bill butt pad.
Okay. What gauge is it?
20 gauge.
How long's the barrel?
25-inch barrel without the poly choke. Poly
choke.
is an extra inch.
The choke's screw on the outside of the barrel, right?
Mm-hmm.
You got up early this morning to get a video in before before school starts?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Sun's not quite up yet, is it?
No.
All right, let's see if you can hit a play target.
Okay.
It's a little long, but it's really not that heavy, is it?
So we're going to shoot at the trap. I didn't say it was a bolt action if y'all can see.
We're ready.
I got 2 out of 3 on the shotgun shooting, so we're going to load her up again.
Got your Rusty running with you today? You tired? Hot? You had something up in the tree last night, right? We can't find it though. Have to go back and look. Get a close up.
Okay, there we go.
And when did we think this gun was made? We looked it up.
It was made in 1951. It made it between 1949 to 1964.
And this gun was made in when?
1951.
56.
56.
Okay.
Safe and 5 right here. You gotta turn it over where it is. Like, this is fire.
That's fire.
That's safe.
Okay. But it still works good, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's see if we can go 3 for 3.
Cool.
Nice. Nice. That's an old Deadeye Mossberg. Wow. You're quick with that bolt too. That was a working man's gun back in the day?
Yeah.
I bet. It didn't cost a lot of money, but it worked, right?
The grip right here, the old grip, was broke, and so I think my dad replaced it with the plastic grip here.
Well, it was plastic originally. Mossberg did that. So, but yeah, so otherwise it's a good gun. Got nice wood on it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Back in the day. And they made them from 1948 to 1964. Different little submodels with different little features, but this one is made in about 56.
Yeah,
So how do you like the Mossberg Model 185?
I love it. It's a good gun. I always liked it from the first time I tried it on that video.
You want to try 3 more? Think you can pop 3 more, or better quit where you're headed?
So we're going to give him a final run. We're going to final run. Let's shoot 3 more for the final time of this video.
Nice. 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 Maybe you ought to be hunting deer, get some slugs and hunt deer with that old boy.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, what do you say this morning early?
I like it. A very good gun. Like I already said, I liked it from the first time I shot it. It's a good little gun.
Cool gun.
Yeah. So please like and subscribe to help the channel make more videos like this. Goodbye.
Buy dog food and ammo?
Goodbye.
Okay, Rusty's got something up in the tree here. We had an attack last night. Killed 2 guinea pigs. Let's see what he's got up here. See anything? Hard to see up there. Sometimes they get over to the different branches.
Yeah.
Okay, you found it, Henry?
Yeah, I found it, but
hard to see. Let's see if we can get a picture of it.
It's hard to see from this direction. Yep, I see it.
See it?
Right there. His head.
Really?
I see it.
Is it up there?
Yeah, it's up there. Why did I get
Okay, there it is. Y'all can see it in the center of the screen now. All right, well, it's a possum. They catch our chickens too.
Should I shoot?
All right, let's see if Lily will give him up. Grab him, Henry. She doesn't like to give up her animals. Come on, bring him out here. She's playing tug of war. Huh? Grab him.
No.
Just grab him. She's gonna get mad at Rusty. All right, let's pose with your trophy. The old Hudson 20 gauge got him? All right. So what do you say?
Please like and subscribe to help the channel make more videos like this. Goodbye.